In modern dating, validation signals like reflective listening and numbing feelings create safety long before a first meeting. The trick is to mirror the meaning, not the exact words, showing you truly hear the other person. When a mismatch appears, a simple "I hear you" and a clarifying question keep the door open. Messages that invite nuance rather than yes or no help reveal real compatibility over time. Pausing before replies helps assess genuine interest and prevents rush, misreads, and needless drama. This approach keeps conversations human, reduces overthinking, and builds trust that lasts beyond the screen.